this shit. Man, I ain't finna keep mixing this shit. I done already went from Buchanan's. I gotta pee. Oh, it's the Thuggish Ruggers Bone, y'all. Hey, y'all, that was my cut.
Hey, bro, show me what you got, bro.
Man, let me show you something.
Hey, I tell you what. Hey,
hold on.
Hey.
Put that down.
Hey, bro. Hey, them white boys, bro. Nigga showed you how, bro.
Man, them white boys ain't
Let me see.
shit.
All right, let me
Boy,
see. Oh, let me see what you got, bro.
Yeah, point it at him. Yeah.
Hey, them white boys ain't got shit. Let me see what you got, bro.
Got shit on me. Them white boys. They only came over this bitch one time.
One time.
Bitch, I been over here 8 times. I done drunk that shit 3 times. That shit they drunk.
Hey, I ain't never seen them white boys.
They ain't even got a pee, bitch. I got a pee.
Hey, look out. When you gonna bring Pumpkin over here?
Man, I got a pee, man. Shit.
Hey, you got. Hey, make it worth it. Oh hell nah, bro.
What the fuck?
Yeah, hey, yeah, them white boys got you, bro.
Fuck them white boys.
Hey, I fought with them white boys.
Hey,
them white boys.
Hey, don't edit
you gotta
that shit
redo
out.
it.
Motherfuckers
Hey,
ain't
you
hey,
gotta redo it.
Look out, don't edit that shot
Hey,
out, bro.
you gotta
Keep that
redo it.
motherfucker
Double
in there.
shot.
So you hit a baby shot.
Bro, hey, in the bar, this shit $15, nigga. You better take advantage. Yeah. Take advantage. Come on, double shot.
15.
Take advantage, man.
And they gonna skimp you at that.
Yeah, they gonna give you half of that.
Big double shot.
And that is like the same one for the first one.
Listen, man, I ain't in no competition. I done beat all the white boys if I was.
Nah, hey, I tell you what, brother. Hey, them white boys showed you it, bro.
I fuck around.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Hey, my bad. I'm sorry.
On the other
You've
side.
already been warned. If I warn you again, you're gonna have to.
All right.
What?
Yeah, hey,
Put it in your car.
Miss, don't come over here with all these rules and shit, miss. Well, we barely, this at the hood track.
Bottles in your hand right now, bro.
It's plastic.
That is not.
Hey,
God
For real
damn.
though. Let's go put this away.
I hit it on my head right now. If it don't crack, it's plastic.
Bro, it's thick.
What?
Miss,
Bro,
that bullshit ass bottle.
I just
hey, come on. Look how you over here getting nigga in trouble
Yeah.
and shit, bro. That's your last shot.
That's your last Come here, Brittany. Hey, man. You seen
Bro.
what? Tell me.
You in trouble, dude. There ain't been no race in about 2 hours and you getting in trouble, dude.
I ain't getting in trouble, man.
Hey, she looking, bro.
Oh, she looking for real?
She looking.
She finna get on y'all ass. She ain't gonna say nothing
Hey,
to
I'm
me.
finna walk away from you, bro. Cause you
Can't say I'm hot.
Hey, look, I thought you was a real nigga, bro, but you, nigga, you running with the ops, dude.
Hey, sorry, she walking.
Hey, tell that white, hey, I knocked that white pussy down.
Oh, you will? Damn. You heard that motherfucker.
Hey,
Nah, but we is waiting on them to finish this shit.
Hey, you gotta move around, bro. You getting into trouble.
Oh, y'all hot, man.
Yeah, get out of here.
I'm finna get out of here,
Hey, it's
man.
time to get out of here, bro.
I'm finna go on the other side.
That bitch mad, bro.
Oh, she is?
Hey, you gonna get fired.
They can't do nothing to me. I'm VIP. They can't do nothing to me.
Oh, the little joint pack, I've seen that.
Little short JD, little crackhead JD.
This was
JD, the one that used to work at the
Six.
Lake.
I got a finish.
Little short crackhead motherfucker.
I'm gonna finish.
Pre-rolls are what they like throw the extra.
Somebody said, please get away from them. There's too many people doing negative things. Well, y'all just ain't seen that people smoking and drinking. Hey, Yello Belly! Especially on their downtime. Ashley Larry, man, tell us something good, man.
Hey,
Tell us something good.
they almost done with the track, I guess.
That's about the only thing good I can look out, man. Everything else? Okay.
All good.
Limit coming up first, y'all. Oh. All right, y'all, coming up next. Look out, go sit down for a while, guys. God damn. Y'all tolerance must be low.